Hey, my friend, how you doing today? Hey, one of the things I hear on a regular basis, a lot of stockbrokers say this kind of crap, but that's stay the course. Don't give up. Just keep going. Eventually it'll pay off. And a lot of gurus will say that stuff too. These Instagram gurus that are leasing their cars and leasing their mansions, and a little hiccup and they're bankrupt. But here's what I got to say about staying the course and not quitting, not giving up. What happens if the course you're on, that you're going the wrong direction? You're working at a restaurant. You went to college, you got your degree in hospitality, and now you're laid off. Or you're working at the casino and you're no longer employed because they closed the casino. I was talking to a friend yesterday, casino that I used to play at all the time. I used to I played poker every single day when I lived in Lake Tahoe at Lakeside. This thing had been open like 50 years. They closed. They're closed permanently. What if you're a flight attendant and that was your dream job and now you got laid off because people aren't flying as much? And guess what, my friend? I don't think we're ever going back to normal. This is the new normal. I think COVID fast forwarded us 20 years. I don't think people will be driving to work anymore and commuting and getting on an airplane when you can get out of bed, decide whether or not you're going to brush your teeth or not, get your coffee, stumble into the spare bedroom, turn on your computer, and have your meeting right then and there. I think that's the new normal. So here's my words of encouragement. Sit down and assess on whether or not what you are doing is worth staying the course. Because I believe it probably is not. If it's not rewarding, if you're not fulfilled, if you're unemployed, if there's any opportunity that's better, I'd say go for it. Change courses and go for that dream job that you think that will give you that opportunity. And I would sit down and look at what is recession-proof, what is COVID-proof. My business, for example, my financial services business, we are growing like crazy. I brought on over 100 new people since April 1st. 100. I could have brought on 1,000 if I had enough time to train them. And I will bring on, by the end of next year, if you're watching this right now, it's 2020, October. By the end of next year, I will have brought on over 1,000 new partners in my business. And this video is not a recruiting video by any means. I'm just saying, look into what you can do that is going to be COVID-proof. Excuse me a little bit while the landscape guy goes by these damn leaf blowers, man. There's a great video JP Spears did on leaf blowers. If you want a good laugh, go to YouTube, type in JP Spears leaf blower. It's a great video. But anyway, assess your situation, where you're at. If it will go up in a recession, or there's a chance you can be replaced by AI, because it's coming, my friend. It is coming. Google already announced they're going to eliminate over 20 million jobs in the next 10 years with Google AI. 20 million people are going to be out of work. You don't want to be one of those people. So if I can do anything for you, reach out on social media, send me a DM. Otherwise, I'll see you later.